Welcome everyone to session 3 of 100 personal internship job in 100 days. And today we only have Padma Priya with us. And in today's discussion, we will only focus upon the search method, basically the way to find the sustainability professional in order to get personal intern. For those of you who are watching this for the first time, let me explain what we are doing here. So this whole concept of there is a whole concept of personal internship, which means a 10 plus years professional will hire a personal intern to work on their personal research, personal project, or a personal brand. These are the few items that we picked, but you can also give your actual work that you are doing, and you can think about other work that you can assign. There are other full-fledged video, and there is also a pitch video where I've explained what kind of task that you can assign. So that's pretty much the personal internship that I'm talking about. And the benefit for the professional here is the fulfillment of your passion, investment on your next role. So you have already in 10 plus years experience. So I think it's time for you to offload few of your mundane jobs or the jobs that you are not learning much from, and assign give it this to the personal intern, and where that you hire on your personal front, and see what kind of job you can assign to them, and become an inspiring leader. You will have someone to coach and check what challenges they have. You can create system processes in order to help them out. So that's pretty much becoming like a good leader. And buying time and more. So basically you will buy some time because some of your work will be done by this personal intern. So that's pretty much will help you out there. The search method. So one of the challenge that a person, what we are trying to help is we are trying to create a framework where we are empowering the personal interns to reach out to the professional and ask, share them this idea and see if they can hire them. And the reason is pretty straightforward. During the current times of pandemic, we already see there is a shrink in the job market, and Padma Priya will share her experience if last week with us in short time, where she explained how much time she has put in for searching of job and what kind of replies she are getting. So this search method is basically a simple three-step uh, formula, if you can say. So the first thing is to be find your niche that you want to work. So it could be waste management, circular economy, ESG research, a sustainability coordinator, or whatever that you are looking for. Later on, I will exactly show you how to search for those things and what a couple of other hints to do that. But once you find a valuable post by some of your person, which the whole idea is that person you would that person will be 10 plus years of experience, and you are kind of pitching to them. So on their post you will put some meaningful comment. The comments can be very generic also and very specific to that thing. So the whole idea is you are learning about the topic or the subject that you are getting into the industry. So your industry awareness is increasing because of this subject, because you are reading it, you are understanding it, and asking a question or making a comment on it. So basically you are engaging with that post. If the person replies to it, then you share a pitch link. I have created that link. So what you are doing is you are only doing step one. The step two will be automatically done by that person because we are doing this only on LinkedIn. So you will get a notification if someone replies to you. That's pretty much automatic. And because you will get all the notification, you just have to reply back saying that thank you for your reply and continue with the engagement, and ask them if or share this link saying that this is an idea. What do you think about it? I would like to know your feedback. And that's it. Ask that question and leave it to that. And let the conversation happen. I mean, let the person say, watch this personal internship video, which I have created as a slideshow and with pitch and explaining everything about personal intern under 8 minutes. So it is not that complex as well. I mean, it's short time and they can watch it whenever they have time. So that's it. You're done. So I have done some case study that I will show. And the whole idea that I've asked Padma Priya earlier was to do this, to have 25 comments per day. And I've tried this myself yesterday, so I know exactly how much time it might take for 25 comments. Precisely how much time it took me, and what was the reason, and how much time it could take you. So that number I have specifically. So all the time goes is on the first task, because once you have done the task, the system will automatically push, and the other task is basically it will be done while you are working throughout the day or something. So you don't have to spend some time. You can reply it during some break, or during your day. Whenever you get a notification, you can reply immediately, or you can take a 15 minutes at the end of the day and reply to each messages. That piece of work is not so much painful in terms of energy consumption. I've done that. So for me, replying someone was pretty quick. It's like chatting with someone. So that's pretty straightforward. So those are the three steps. That's the reason. The whole idea is to present this idea to some professionals so that they can hire you. All right. So I will now ask Padma Priya. So her task was to do that 25 per day, so that in a month, in a week, it will be 125 comments and how much reply that she got. So I will ask Padma Priya to share how much ever she has done and what was the outcome of that exercise. Padma Priya, yes.
Yes. So in a week, I sent around, committed on 15 posts, LinkedIn posts, out of which I saw two of them had went through my profile and tried to connect with me.
Right.
And I pitched the idea to two of them, out of which one of them had responded that they'll look into it and then provide a response.
Got it. So it was 15, 2, and 1. So that's pretty much the number, and we are still waiting that if that 1%. But Padmapriya, just to get an understanding, what do you mean by have you posted a post, or you have when you say posted a post, was it a comment on someone's post, or you have created a original post?
It was a comment.
Right. Okay. Perfect. So how much time did you spend in that 15 post that you commented?
Not much, I would say, in all 1 hour.
Got it. Got it. So for you, for 15, it is 1 hour. So basically, if we are doing 25, we are talking somewhere around 2 hours, just in case
Yes.
for initially. Okay. So that's pretty much. So Padma Priya has done this for 15 of them, out of which two have actually connected to them. That happens very rare, which in this occasion it was good that it happened. And one of them is waiting for the reply. So we don't know yet if this idea has some weightage to it. We have talked about scientific method and early adopter and everything in our previous videos, so you can check the link about it. So but we are still testing if somebody is engaging us and agreeing to the idea and hiring us for this particular thing. So thank you, Padmapriya. Let me continue with that. So I have two case studies for you. In this first case study, what
Okay.
I will share is this. So this is what my search method. So what I did the same thing what Padmapriya explained, but I'm not looking for an internship, but I was looking for a guest to a podcast. So I used the same method there. In total, I spent 55 minutes, and I was able to send 40 messages, and I got two replies, and I've posted two pitches for podcasts. I'm still waiting for their answers. So similar to what
Okay.
Padma Priya happened, and I did this yesterday night sometime. So how did I did this was I broke them into two parts. So first 20 message was done in 30 minutes. The next 20 messages was done in 25 minutes, and the first 20 messages took some time, and the first 20 messages were done via my mobile, and the last one was my PC. So I found that doing in PC I was a bit faster, and also the search terms that I use in my second method was much good. So what I'm trying to say, I will show you later in the conversation some of my messaging and how the search was there. In the first 20 message, I had to look into each one of them. I have to make sure something was present, and then I have to move to next. But in second, the search was a combination of couple of words. So what happened on all the post was something meaningful to my work. So let me give a little bit of background. We work with sustainability benchmarking. So in the first 20 minutes, I just put hashtag benchmarking. So it was giving benchmarking around across not only about sustainability, but rest of them. So I need to skip like some kind of a machinery benchmarking or computer inside the CPU benchmarking and all that. I had to skip. And when I did the combination of sustainability and benchmarking, I use the combination of two words. I found more relative copy, relative post. So that is a trick that
Okay.
you can use. If you have to
Right.
use your search term in such a way that you get more relevant content and your reply becomes very smooth. So the reason it took, I mean, the speed at which I was going in my second
Mhm.
second batch, I could have actually completed it within 15 minutes or 10 minutes because it was so quick. I could have done that. But the reason it went so far is there was something so valuable that I have to get into it. I found some of my potential clients. I was making a copy
Okay.
of that link. I was saving that and I was searching few of their point of contact and informing my team. So I was doing all that work also. So it was much richer experience. Even the time was same, but my output was much richer. Not only that, the replies were also from my second batch, or both the replies. So even the in terms of
Okay.
return was also good. So just wanted to share those things. So that was my first pitch, which was exactly copy of it. The second pitch case study that I'm going to share is about this particular initiative only, which is personal internship. I've taken myself an assignment and sent it to 100. I've sent 100 messages to 100 people, and we don't have any participant yet. So, but I got 35 replies. I mean, usually the proportion of it, I was
Mhm.
blown away because
Right.
any normally you get around 10 to 20% of reply, which
Yes.
is 10 or 20, but 35 was pretty high in
Good
any
number.
a good number, right? So now you might say, uh, the but the output of this, the pitch thing, which is in this case the people attending our uh, session was nobody. So it is pretty much
Right.
zero. So from that point of view, you will see that
Mhm.
this was not uh, this was not like so productive, or this was a failed experiment. Let me put it that way. uh, but I will throw a couple of follow-up points to that. Yes, uh, at at the concept of it, this was a failed experiment, but there were some of the insights. One was like the reply was too much. So the messaging that I've sent was must have been something nice. At least people choose to reply. And my target audience, the people who I was sending was right people that I was sending, because if I don't send to the right people, they will not reply. So that's pretty much the target audience, or the tribe is important and the messaging is important. So that was better in this case. At least that was, yeah, people not turning up could be many reasons, but uh, now that I have 35 people replied in my messaging, and I have that link of what mess I have sent about my podcast, I can put that
Yes.
link in that search of my messages of LinkedIn, and everyone will come, all the 35 one. I can send them this recording,
Right. Yes.
and then I can ask them that please send this to the same five people who you have sent the past thing, because everybody confirmed to me that they are sending it. So
Right.
out of 100 now I've targeted audience. So that could be an advantage of. So that's my second attempt. So next week we will
Okay.
come to know
Mhm.
how many will join us, or we'll come to know the impact of what they missed, and was it useful for them, and so that they will join back us. Okay, we will figure that out next week. But the point is, how was I able to send in this case 100 message to in 90 minutes? You see, the last case study, if you see, it took me 55 minutes to send 40 messages. Now here
Yes.
it is 2.5 times more messages, but the time is not 2.5. In fact, it was just 30 minutes more, 35 minutes more maybe.
Yeah.
Now this is a trick that you can use, also use to send the pitch uh, video also, to send someone, which I will
Mhm.
show you the message. So I'm not sure how much connections you have, Padma Priya. If you can remember that, you can tell. But I have seen few of the people who have liked this message. So their connection is anywhere from 200 to 2000. At one case, there was a student who had a 3000 LinkedIn connection. That was
Oh.
really remarkable. I mean, I know how much time it takes because I have 10,000 connection. It didn't happen overnight. It took some time. So what one thing we can also do apart from the three search method is, because of this exercise I come to know that we can send that sales pitch idea to all everyone in your first connection.
Yes. Yeah.
right? And that can, and the messaging can be very simple. Like I will share you thing. I mean, it can be very simple. Like, hey, I am looking for an internship job, and here is one
Mhm.
of the creative. I don't know. You should use, but here is one of a different idea that I have been exploring from past 2 weeks.
Mhm.
This is an 8-minute video explaining the idea. Please watch it and please let me know your feedback. And if you think that someone needs to watch it, please feel free to share it with them. That's it. And you, when you send that, this replies will be very interesting because it then you will come to know out of whatever your 200, or do you know how much connections you have, LinkedIn connections?
Around 400, 450.
Correct. So out of
Yeah.
400, if even if you would say 10% or 20%, it's not harmful. You are not asking them to hire you or anything. You're just sharing the idea and asking them their feedback. Right. So you're even
Yes.
asking them, but you're not asking for money or you're not asking for job. So the ask is not that too much.
Right.
And
Yeah.
the idea, we have been working for a couple of weeks, so people have approved this idea. In fact, if you see my latest recent post that I have done yesterday, there are 12, 15 likes also, which we didn't get last time, right? We've
Yes.
been
Correct.
posting this for many weeks now. So you can do that. So that's one idea that I can straight away. And for that 400, if I am taking 90 minutes, because it is a same template, you are just changing the name dear whatever and then the same message,
Yes.
right?
Correct.
So we know that for 400 it will take 90 minutes. So what, 90 minutes into 4 times. So at least this week
Mhm.
you cannot target all the 400, but at least you can target 200, because 3 hours you can take over the span. You can spend 30 to 45 minutes each day, and you can send to 400 and see if you get 40 replies or 20 replies, and what are the replies, because we want conversation, right?
Right.
So I think that is a good output of this exercise. Even though we don't have a
Mhm.
direct, still I'm waiting for participant. I would have been very excited if someone would have joined. Then that means there was no argument like this. There was some magic in this. Okay, but still the hope is not lost. But that's pretty much the idea. So these are the some of the replies. I got 35 replies, right? So these are the some of
Mhm.
the replies that I thanks a million, you rock, awesome. So each one is different message. So different people, different
Okay.
message. And then I later on, because I was doing it for multiple time, I just changed my last all the message. Thank you for liking the post. Now this
Okay.
statement
Mhm.
in English is very, I mean, I know it is sneaky in a way. So liking is, they replied very well, that way it is liking, and it could be hitting the like button also. So
Right. Okay.
that way it was
Mhm.
confusing. But what I have found, that when I reply this, thank you for liking the post,
It
then
is
after that
hitting the
people
button.
start
Mhm.
liking, start clicking the like button.
Oh. Okay.
So see, now that's this. Now this is that. So this is the what in scientific method or some method they are called as second order effect. You run some
Mhm.
experiment and you see this kind of
Mhm.
effect, and then the whole experiment is scrapped, but this idea we pick for our next experiments.
Yes.
So if anybody, I mean, anyone replies to your post with of that, you can just reply, thank you for liking the post, or whatever your post is in future. So this line, I will come. I just discovered it yesterday. So I'm just
Okay.
going to use it myself. You are
Mhm.
welcome to use, because you have attended all this work that I've did for 2.5 hour plus 1 hour of analysis and making this deck and all. So you get it
Mhm.
within 15 minutes. So that's the advantage you get. So I'm just trying to make sure the time is not wasted.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the second hack that I use, how I was able
Mhm.
to send 100 message to 90 minutes, in 90 minutes 100 message, is that I have this I think I've last time I've shared this link. So I have this post on my article. Okay. And I have sent this to anyone who is young, who is currently looking for the job. What I've done there, I've copied this and put it in my messaging. It gave me all the names to whom I have sent this link in the past. So I got a
Yeah.
set of a constant names that I have, and then I started sending the messages. Okay, that is the reason, because I had a list, I had a template, I copy pasted individually because I need to make change the name and all. So even though
Yeah.
it was not completely personalized, but at least I am sending it personally, and I'm not
Mhm.
automating it from some code or something. So from that context, it
Yeah.
was personal. So that was the trick. That is the reason I was able to do this thing under 90 minutes. Okay. So similarly for you,
Okay.
it will be simple because you will go to connection, you will go one by one. So that is not because there is a message tab there in our connection. So you can click and copy paste to each of them. So that was the hack. Okay, now activity time, my message and all. So I will change to the web part of it. And yeah, for those who have been watching this recording, uh, if you are want to hire someone, you can send me an email, or if you are interested to participate in the session, you can also send, so I can remind you of every session that we conduct Friday. This is the third session, and we are going to do 12 session in total. And before I think we move to the activity part, I think Padma Priya, you have to share your experience of the last week on your job search. I think that will be very useful for a lot of people out there. How much time you spend and what kind of responses you are getting.
Okay. So for job search, generally I look for a company. I look into the profile. Uh, if there is any job roles open, or what are the different departments they operate in. So at least for one application, I take around 2 hours to draft my say, cover letter or
Right,
application to the HR person. So I go to the website and then search for the HR person contact, the email address. And so for one application, it takes me around 2 hours. So I try to send around 25 applications,
right,
but the response level was very much limited. And out of the 5 to 6 responses that I received, most
right,
were on the recruitment season would be next year. So Jan Feb, you can connect with us during uh,
right.
next year this particular month. And yeah,
Yeah, so you spend almost 40 plus hours this week, and you haven't set any interview also, and
yes,
most of them are responding. Yeah. So that, I mean, that basically is another data point of, see, if you have at least getting some personal intern for a couple of months, 3 or 4 months till the year end. So that will actually keep you motivated, and you will be able to do some work rather than sending
yeah,
this messages or email to HR. And it's nothing wrong with the HR side also, because things are so muddy now that people don't know
mm,
how things will be panned out. Thank you so much for sharing your information. I think someone watching this would definitely, it will be useful for them. So yeah, coming back to our activities, what I will do is, so this was my message. So I put dear name,
okay,
and I put I hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy, because time is the call.
yeah,
And then I straight away, so I have a request to you. So you can use the same, I think, same template. I have a request for you. I've been searching for the, so in this case, I'm running this initiative called 100 Jobs in 100 Days as a part of this weekly exercise.
mhm,
Queries who may be interested in internship. If you can share this link with 5 of your friends and spread the word, that would really help me, as well as your friends who are looking for jobs. So pretty straightforward. My
oh,
link is there, and as I mentioned, the link that we have here, this link I was sending, I have this 10 points. It's a good read. Many of ads people have read it and liked it also. So this is a good read. So I've sent this to previously people. I've searched this, and that's why I know
mhm,
100 people who I have sent it to. So let's try to create one for you, dear professional. Thus, I think I will do something like this. Later, I will just send it across to you, so you can modify. Um, for an internship, and I have found this idea called as personal intern. Called personal intern. Here is the link explaining the idea. Bit bit.ly/personal intern. Let me check if the link is right. Yeah, so this takes to the link. I hope this is, yeah, yeah, right. So this is the link that we have. Personal intern. I would, yeah, it's under 8 minutes. And if you can watch and give your feedback, that would be good. Uh, Please feel free to send it to your friend. Yeah, I know we are asking too much, but anyways, the job
Yeah.
posting thing is also asking. So regards on your name. So basically, yeah, I think that's pretty much the thing I will do. And because it is, we know definitely in 3 hours you can do, send it to 200 of your connections. At least do
Right.
that
Yeah.
and see what happens.
Okay.
Even though you
Sure.
don't do the comment part of it, do this part of
Hmm.
it. I mean, at least this is much quicker. But I am pretty much, I'm very inclined to the comment part, because while doing that you will come up with lot of experience and some of the hacks to find a normal job also. It can happen, the
Okay.
second order effect, because it will allow you. But anyways, I mean, it completely depends. Now the second important part is not only for the personal internship but for your job search also. So when you do the job search, right,
Mm-hmm.
especially the comment part, what I will do is, there is an option of checking my first connections. So I can, when you do a advanced search, you get this kind of filters and you can get a content piece. Okay. So you can search in content, put job there, and I have done selected me, but if I select first in connection, all my first connection will come. And because this
Okay.
job is very close, so this I will do with my first connection for comments, right?
Mm.
Because I will do, for example, I will have a keyword like water waste management or water waste jobs. That's it.
Okay.
And or even water waste, and then whatever result I get, I start commenting, because reading that I will quickly comment, and everything will be about water waste. Okay, so if you
Okay.
have some common theme going around which you already come to know, or some standard lines that you can prepare a template base, so you can put that
Mm.
template and maybe couple of other words that you can relate to it. Okay, so you just try to make
Okay.
it a bit faster. That is for commenting
Sure.
thing. But if you're looking for a job thing, you just remove this everything, put past week, put jobs, water waste, and search, and whatever result comes, you can start applying for your job thing also. Okay, so but
Okay.
that's the whole point. The If your job thing is you're taking 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours for one particular job, the whole like sending 25 comments will happen in 1 hour, right?
Right.
So
Taken
that, yeah, take an
time
hour
waste.
or something, and if you do it for 5 times a week, you will be a bit more experience in trying this out. And in the whole thing, that where you that like you made two connections, you will end up making more connections, and then
Right. Yeah.
maybe that would could help. So we don't know where it could lead you. So definitely we don't have breakthroughs yet, but you have not even applied it continuously for a week's time and given it
Right.
some practice. I mean, at least we should try for 2 weeks and see what results are. But I think the nice output I feel that came out of today's session is uh, that you have that another idea also of this template thing. I will send you across right away. I'll do that.
Mhm.
Maybe I'll send it to you, because other people's name will come out. So I'll
Okay.
send it to you. And I think this 200 thing, I think you go first. Forget about the comment thing.
Okay. Sure.
Do this 200 thing at least and see what happens after this. Because this will be straightforward. I think you can sit in the weekend and finish it off.
Yeah,
because we
sure.
know 3 hours,
Yeah,
and then
okay.
Monday you can start with commenting thing. If you have not
Right.
completed in this weekend, try to finish this 200 first. See what response. I mean, then you start with the comment, because comment you need a little more energy than this thing. This I think
Right.
is
Correct.
pretty
Yeah,
straightforward,
this is simple. Yeah.
simple. Yeah, I think we don't have any participants, so yeah, definitely the 35 people who connected with me, but yeah, didn't took join. But I have this video so that I can send it to them. So I'll bring this back so that if anyone has something. Thank you very much for your time, Padma Priya. This has
Thank
been
you so much, sir.
three
Yeah.
weeks. And what I, if I find anyone looking for job or anything or looking for interns, I will definitely check. I will check with few of my connections also if they are looking for interns, and then maybe I will send your link to them and let them ask to hire you or something.
Okay, sir. Thank you
All
so
right.
much, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.